Hey you guys, welcome back. With flu season in full force, I've decided to share a few of my hacks that I like to use with my family. Now the first hack is to give your child a vapor bath. Vapor baths work great because they help to soothe any aching muscles that your child might have from being sick, and it also helps to break up any sinus congestion. This specific vapor bath that I'm using contains rosemary, menthol, and eucalyptus. All these are decongesting properties. Plus, your child will be so distracted, he won't even remember he's sick. So this next hack is to use a chest rub. I'm using the Vicks Baby Vapor Rub, and I know that there's so many different uses for this. I will have a link to my website down below where you can go check that out. Anyways, I like to apply some of this rub onto my baby's chest and on his back to help with the congestion that he might have. Now, another interesting fact that I found while doing my research is if you apply some of this rub to their feet, it actually helps to improve nighttime cough, which I thought was amazing. You just massage a generous amount onto their feet and cover it with socks. Now, because there are so many mixed reviews on this specific vapor rub that I'm using, I decided to do my own DIY chest rub. All you need is coconut oil and eucalyptus oil. All you need to do is scoop out 12 teaspoons of coconut oil and add 3 drops of eucalyptus oil, mix together, and there you have it, a DIY chest rub that's very natural and organic. So this next hack works wonders. I highly suggest investing in a humidifier. So what a humidifier does is that it releases a warm mist into the air to create humidity. So this works amazing when you have a very dry room. We all know that a dry room can cause discomfort in our nose and our throats as well. Because your room will now have moisture, your little ones will definitely be able to breathe a little easier. This leads me to my next hack, which is add a little bit of eucalyptus oil into the water tank of the humidifier. This oil works as an anti-inflammatory, a decongestion, and it also has antibacterial properties. So not only is your little one breathing better, but it's also cleaning the air at the same time. So this next hack is for those moms just like me who struggle to find anything during the nighttime when their baby is being fussy. Creating an air station helps to keep all those important essentials that you might need in the middle of the night all in one place. I like to keep mine right next to my bed on top of my nightstand. You don't really need anything fancy, you just need something to hold all your essentials together. This has become a life changer for me for when my baby wakes up in the random hours of the night. I no longer need to search for anything because I have everything at the convenience of my nightstand. So this next hack, believe it or not, are marshmallows. Place a few marshmallows into a Ziploc bag and then put it in the freezer until it freezes. This will become almost like an ice pack for your kids when they're having a high temperature. Once the marshmallows have defrosted, your child can eat them, and because it contains the gelatin ingredient, it helps to coat your child's throat. Now, there isn't enough evidence to prove that marshmallows do help soothe a sore throat, but come on, who does not like eating marshmallows? I guarantee your child will be happy. Now, speaking about happy, this next hack will definitely bring a smile to your child's face. This is one that's been around for years, and it's drinking spoonfuls of honey. Give your child 2 teaspoons right before bed, and it works as a great cough suppressant. Both baby and mommy get to sleep. And my last hack for today is to disinfect, just so that you won't get sick all over again. I like to use Lysol just because it's proven to kill 99.9% of the flying bacteria in the air. I also like to wash my sheets with products that I know are going to kill any germs that are left on there, making sure I wash them with really hot water. And there you have it. I hope you guys found these hacks helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of our family. Don't forget to check out my website, as I will have more hacks on there as well. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!